If you drink alcohol, what will happen? You are on the red road. What does a single red line tell you? When are you allowed to unfasten your seatbelt? When should you leave a 2 seconds gap? You want to turn right at the end of the one-way street. Which lane must you use? Who must obey diamond-shaped signs? When should you especially check the engine oil level? You've turned into a one-way street by mistake. What should you do to get back to your route? What should be allowed extra room when overtaking? You are entering a contraflow system. How would you avoid a collision? A toucan crossing is different from other types of crossings. In what way? You are traveling at night. You are dazzled by headlights of cars coming towards you. What should you do? Where should you take particular care to look out for motorcyclists and cyclists? in a queue of stationary traffic, so you put on the handbrake. What else should you do? The weather is icy. What is likely to happen to your braking distance? You are driving at night on an unlit road behind another vehicle. What should you do? The left-hand pavement is closed for repairs. What should you do? You arrive at the scene of a crash. Someone is suffering from shock. What should you do? Where are most likely to be affected by sidewind? What should you do if you are driving on the motorway and feel tired? How can you help reduce air pollution? You are joining a motorway. Why should you use the full length of the slip road? There are horse riders ahead of you on the road. What should you do? Why is it more difficult to overtake a large vehicle? You are driving towards the zebra crossing. What should you do? How does driving uphill affect the control of your vehicle? You approach an open railway level crossing. There are no gates, barriers, attendant, or traffic signals. What should you do? Which lane should a motor vehicle use when going at 70 miles per hour speed? What should be checked before towing a caravan that has been parked for a long period of time? In which place would parking your vehicle cause an obstruction? How does your head restraint is correctly adjusted so it provides the best protection in a car crash? Anti-lock brakes. ABS are of most use when you are How to avoid being dazzled by the sun glare while you're driving. You approach a level crossing with gates but no signal. The signal operator says it's safe to go. What should you do? When are you allowed to sound your vehicle's horn? You are driving at 70 miles per hour on a 3-lane motorway and there is no traffic ahead on other lanes. In which lane you should drive? What is the cause of uneven tire wear? How can you protect the environment? Where would your vehicle cause an obstruction? You are driving on an urban clearway. You may stop only to How can you tell when you are driving over black ice? What should you do to avoid fuel spillage? Where would parking your vehicle cause an obstruction? How much can stopping distances increase in icy conditions? On a vehicle, where would you find a catalytic converter? Where should you avoid overtaking? You're following a large vehicle. Why should you stay a safe distance behind it? How should you use anti-lock brakes when you need to stop in an emergency? What part of the car does the law require you to keep in good condition? What should you do when a person herding sheep asks you to stop? Which type of crossing allows cyclists to ride across with pedestrians? You're driving behind a heavy goods vehicle. What should you do if it signals left but steers to the right? Why should you switch your headlights on when it first starts to get dark? You're being overtaken by a long, heavily laden lorry. What should you do if it's taking a long time for it to overtake? On what type of road surface may anti-lock brakes be ineffective? What can be damaged if you turn the steering wheel when the car is not moving? What can you do to reduce environmental damage caused by your vehicle? What will be affected if the road surface becomes soft in very hot weather? What should you do if your mobile phone rings while you're driving or riding? Which driving technique can help you save fuel? What should you do when you're using a contraflow system? Why should you never wave people across at pedestrian crossings? What's the safest thing to do if you have to leave valuables in your car? When must your vehicle have valid insurance cover? Where should you park your vehicle at night? How should you load your trailer? When may you drive over a pavement? What's the nearest you may park to a junction? Where should you avoid overtaking? You're following a large vehicle. Why should you stay a safe distance behind it? How should you use anti-lock brakes when you need to stop in an emergency? What part of the car does the law require you to keep in good condition? What should you do when a person herding sheep asks you to stop? Where is your vehicle most likely to be affected by side winds? You're driving behind a heavy goods vehicle. What should you do if it signals left but steers to the right? Why should you switch your headlights on when it first starts to get dark? Which vehicles should use the left-hand lane on a 3-lane motorway? What's the speed limit for a car towing a trailer on a motorway? What can you do to reduce environmental damage caused by your vehicle? What will be affected if the road surface becomes soft in very hot weather?